Hi and welcome to Al's Record Room. I'd like to show you one of my demo 45s that's from the 60s. Strawberry Alarm Clock, Seashell, Unilabel, 1968, Jens, Rock Pop, Psychedelica, Sunshine Pop, Acid Rock. Now this is another demo 45 that's in my 60s part of my record collection that's in Al's Record Room. Demo 45, Unilabel, yellow and blue and pink label. Now, here's the other side of the Demo 45. Strawberry Alarm Clock, Seashell, 1968. Now, here's the 45 itself. Seashell, Strawberry Alarm Clock, Now here we have the other side of the Demo 45. Now, this Demo 45 was by Strawberry Alarm Clock, Seashell, Unilabel, 1968, Jens, Rock Pop, Psychedelica, Sunshine Pop, Acid Rock. Now, that's another 45 that's in Al's record collection, that's in Al's record room. And I'd like to say thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Al's record room. And it's over now, and it's bye from Al's record room.